Hello, welcome to the Rock Show. Okay, another unboxing. We are going to open another starter deck, which is the Chris Jericho deck starter deck. Chris Jericho 61 starter deck, Raw Deal Survivor Series 2. Okay, the most electrifying collectible card game. Starter decks for Jude Love, Chris Jericho, Eddie Guerrero, Edge, Christian, Matt Hardy, Jeff Hardy, Big Show, Lita, Rob Van Dam, Booker T, and Trish Stratus. Okay, 61 decks, 1 inclusive of fall superstar card, 3 unique superstar specific cards, 2 rare cards, and 25 uncommons, and 30 common cards, and a rule book. Okay, let's open this. Okay, it's in good condition. Okay, very good condition. Wow. Okay, there's a rule book here. Survivor Series 2, same rule, the same rule book. Okay, we got WWE logo. Okay, so here, and we can have the deck. Okay, for the back is WWE, front is Chris Jericho. Okay, wow, the foil and the condition is mint. Okay, so superstar ability is once during each of your turn, you may discard one card and then your opponent discards one card. So when he discards his card, the opponent also need to discard his cards. Okay, hand size 7 and superstar value 3, same as Kurt Angle. Okay, Kurt Angle is also superstar value 3, while The Rock is superstar value 5. Okay, let's open this. Here we go. Okay, throw this away. WWE. Okay, and then we have the superstar cards. The fall in very good condition. Okay, put it here, and then we have the first superstar specific foil card, Lion Sock. Okay, it's a high risk, but it's not his trademark finisher. Okay, then a Y2J, another superstar specific cards. Draw up to 5 cards of your opponent, or your opponent discards 5 cards. Wow. Okay, 5 Fortitude 0. Okay, it's a unique card. Okay, good. Okay, another superstar specific foil card, Don't You Never Ever, with face, Chris Jericho's face. Reverse any strike, grapple, or submission maneuver and end your opponent's turn. Your opponent discard 2 cards, and your next turn your maneuvers are +2 damage. Okay, so it's a good reversal card. Okay, so he got each one of it, 1 strike, 1 maneuver with high risk, action card, and also a reversal. So it's good for a starter deck with the superstar specific foil cards. Okay, and the rest will be the common. This is the rare with the gold logo. Okay, gold logo, manager interferes. It's a rare. Okay, 1 rare, and 2 second rare. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Okay, this is Booker T, not Chris Jericho, but he can use this. It's also gold, so it's a rare card. Okay, as you can see, it's a white logo. White logo is common cards. So clumsy opponent, escape move, step aside. So a bunch of reversals. Okay, throw into corner turnbuckle 3. Okay, we can only have maximum of 3 of the same cards. Okay, speed on at opponent, there's 2, so he's a heel, so Chris Jericho is a heel. Okay, Kurt Angle can have both face and heel cards, so he can be the good guy and the bad guy at the same time. And The Rock is the face. Okay, so heel cards. Action cards. Roll out of the ring, backed by Stephanie McMahon, is the same as Kurt Angle's card. Okay, guard range. Wow, he got a lot of repeated cards. You feeling lucky? Okay, there are 2 things you can do, nothing and like it. Okay, it's a reversal cards. Reversal, elbow to the face, oversell maneuver, reversal, go out of the way. Okay, break the hold, strangle hold. Okay, it's a heel submission. Submission, ankle lock. Wow, it seems that Chris Jericho has the ankle lock in his deck, while Kurt Angle, we don't see any ankle lock previously. Okay, nerve hold, short arm hammerlock, did a world power slam, face buster suplex, German suplex, backslide, headlock takedown, 0 fortitude. This is good. Starter. Neck breaker. Okay, double underhook, 0 fortitude with a 7 damage, which is a good starter. Within your grabs. Okay, strike of foreign object. Okay, he always play dirty, so that's the heel for the heel. Okay, garbage can lead, discus punch, reversal to this at plus 2 damage. Okay, discus punch, looks like The Rock here, but somehow is inside Jericho's deck. Okay, running lariat, kick. Okay, shoulder block, high rake, back rake, flying body, big splash, knee smash, spinning crescent kick. So all this is the high risk maneuvers. Okay, let's see how many maneuvers that he have. Okay, high risk submission. Okay, strike. Grapple. Okay, headlock takedown, German suplex, face buster suplex, submission. So these are all his attack move. Okay, action cards plus some of the action plus reversal. Okay, action plus reversal. And then we have the reversals cards. Okay, reversal cards. Elbow to the face. These are all his reversal cards. He got quite a few reversal cards. Okay, and then the mix hybrid cards, which are the attack, maneuver, and also as a reversal. So he's a total heel. all his cards are heel cards. And reversal and hybrid cards. We got action cards. We got his maneuvers. Okay, this is his deck. Okay, and then we have his specific superstar specific foil cards, which is good because we have 3. Okay, and his superstar card. Okay, Chris Jericho. Bye bye.